Enter the world of functional elegance with the curtain rod clip hook, a small yet indispensable accessory that has the power to transform the way you hang and style your curtains. It's more than just a simple hook. It's a versatile tool that combines practicality with a touch of sophistication, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your window treatments. Let's start by unraveling the magic of these clip hooks. Picture a sleek, well-crafted hook that seamlessly attaches to your curtain rod. Its unassuming design belies its versatility. The clip, an unobtrusive yet powerful element, hangs discreetly from the rod, ready to elevate your curtain game. Now, imagine the convenience of the clip hook. No more wrestling with stubborn curtain rings or dealing with the hassle of threading curtains through a rod. With the clip hook, hanging curtains becomes a breeze. Simply slide the clip open, attach it to the curtain, and let it gently clasp the fabric. It's a straightforward process that saves both time and frustration, leaving you with more moments to enjoy the beauty of your curtains. But the clip hook's charm doesn't end with its practicality. Let's explore its role in enhancing the overall aesthetics of your window decor. Unlike traditional curtain rings that may interrupt the flow of fabric, the clip hook allows your curtains to drape naturally and elegantly. It creates a seamless, uninterrupted look that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Now, let's delve into the versatility of the curtain rod clip hook. Beyond its primary function of hanging curtains, it opens up a world of creative possibilities. Want to layer your window treatments with sheer curtains and heavier drapes? The clip hook effortlessly accommodates this, allowing you to achieve a customized look that suits both your style and practical needs. Moreover, the clip hook offers a practical solution for those who love to change their curtains with the seasons or simply to refresh the look of their space. The ease with which you can swap out curtains makes it a dynamic accessory, enabling you to transform your home decor without the need for complicated installations or extensive adjustments. Let's address the concerns of those who may worry about the sturdiness of clip hooks. Rest assured, these hooks are designed with durability in mind. Crafted from high-quality materials, they provide a secure grip on your curtains, ensuring that they stay in place without slipping or causing any damage. The clip hook's ability to seamlessly blend strength with style is a testament to its thoughtful design. Now, let's talk about the impact of clip hooks on the functionality of your curtains. The ability to easily open and close your curtains adds a layer of practicality to your daily routine. Whether you prefer to bask in natural light during the day or create a cozy, private atmosphere in the evening, the clip hook allows you to adjust your curtains effortlessly, giving you control over both the ambiance and functionality of your space. Additionally, the curtain rod clip hook caters to a variety of curtain styles and fabrics. From lightweight sheers to heavy blackout curtains, these hooks adapt to the weight and texture of your chosen window treatments. This versatility makes them a go-to accessory for anyone looking to personalize their space with curtains that suit their taste and lifestyle. Consider, too, the ease of maintenance that clip hooks bring to the table. Cleaning traditional curtain rings or dealing with intricate curtain hardware can be a time-consuming task. The simplicity of clip hooks means that keeping your curtains and window treatments fresh is as easy as a quick wipe or dusting, allowing you to maintain a polished and inviting living space effortlessly. I think the curtain rod clip hook is a small yet mighty accessory that deserves its place in the spotlight of your home decor. Its functional elegance, ease of use, and versatility make it a standout choice for those seeking a hassle-free and stylish solution to curtain hanging. With clip hooks, the process of adorning your windows becomes not just a task, but a delightful part of curating a home that reflects your unique style and practical sensibilities. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you may be notified anytime I publish a new video.